loves, and welcome back to my channel, and thank you so much for being here. Today's video is all about my favorite body, hair, and facial devices of 2021. So before we get started, hit the subscribe button, share this video if somebody think might like it, and let's do it. So let's start with our sponsor today. Thank you so much, 7E Wellness, for sponsoring this video. We are going to be featuring today this one, which I actually talked about a few videos ago, I'd say a couple months ago. I've been using it religiously in my skin studio. So what this does is this is called the MyoLift Mini. And what this is it is 2-in-1, and it is a professional strength microcurrent device. And if you guys haven't seen that video, I'll link it in the description box for you. So it does have two different settings. One is going to relax the muscles. It's going to be there for relaxing crow's feet, the 11s, those types of things, forehead lines. And that is going to be to relax those muscles, and over time with consistent use, those will become less apparent. Now it has another setting that is for lifting and firming. So what you're gonna do is you're going to place these two probes in certain areas of the face. And again, I'll link that video because I walk through how to use it. And you pinch and it lifts and firms that area that you're working on. So this is the reason why I thought it was a standout of last year, because it literally does two things. It relaxes wrinkles, and it also lifts and firms the skin in all sorts of different areas. Obviously the jowls right here, the 11s, and of course like your eyes. So again, it is more of a professional grade product, which I absolutely love that they made this for an at-home use. So if you guys haven't checked that out, I will put everything in the description box, and you can check it out and see if it's a right fit for you. All right, so moving on to the next one. It is going to be something that has been with me for a long time. This is the Lemieux Facial. They call it a facial scraper. If you have problems with blackheads, whiteheads, large pores, texture on the face, can't use chemical exfoliants, this little bad boy is gonna be for you. So you just have it like this. You see me use it in a lot of my facial videos. You basically wet the face and you put it at a 45-degree angle, and it goes across the face, and it basically pulls up any impurities and helps with texture, things of that nature. I absolutely love it. Again, it's something that I use in my skin studio every single day, and of course it is available for you guys. On that note, another highlight of the year is this Lemieux machine. They've been really kind of killing it with machines this year. This is their oxygen machine. You can get it with their solutions as well, which is their liquid, and as well as their serum. I will be honest, in my skin studio, I only use this machine with the approved products. Again, I've done a video on this as well. It's 10 different types of hyaluronic acid. The serum has a similar, but has peptides. For me personally, it's just one of those machines that is so amazing for hydration, and it's also oxygenized. So basically it micronizes any serums that you put in here, any water-based serums, and so they reach deeper levels of the skin. They penetrate the skin better. Also too, it's an oxygenated formula, which we know no bacteria or anything can grow in. So it's just really a beautiful treatment that you can use every day or a couple times a week. But this is another machine that I use, and they have also made it for at-home use. But this guy, if you have problems with dry skin, or you just want a more plump, firmer look to the skin, you guys are sleeping on that. It is a beautiful product. Okay, now let's talk about hair. This was something that I absolutely became obsessed with this year. This is a mica, that's the brand, and again, I have a video on all of these as well, but it basically is a hair dryer and a professional blow dry in one, and it's so easy. It's really amazing for really tough textured hair that doesn't curl, hair that's kind of wiry in texture. So this is such a beautiful product, and I've been really hooked on their heat protectant detangling spray. I've now been using this every single day. So these two together protect the hair, add shine, detangle. It's really a beautiful product that I didn't really expect to love, but when I got it, I mean, I think I use it at least once a week. Now you have to remember, I don't wash my hair a ton, so using it once a week shows you that I really enjoy it, and it gives like a professional blowout. I don't know how they did it, but they did a really nice job. Oh, my hair. All right, So let's continue in hair really quickly. This is my favorite go-to shampoo. This is by R&Co. A little bit goes a long way. This is a professional grade product, so you only need a little bit. It's just like skincare. This is their color shampoo. Now that I have kind of fun red color hair, I have to pick shampoos that won't strip my hair and won't make me go get my hair colored red every 5 seconds. This is just a really beautiful product. So if you're looking for a great professional shampoo and you have colored hair like me, try this out. My hair now is kind of like, it used to be pretty porous and dry. I don't find that to be a thing anymore. It is one of my favorite things I've used this year. All right, now for body. This is gonna seem weird, but like I never used to spend money on body wash, except for body exfoliators. You know that the Josie Maran body exfoliator I use every single day, but I've talked about it so many times, I'm not gonna relive that. But this is also by Josie Maran, and this is called Skin Dope, the Ultra Nourishing Daily Body Wash, Argan Oil, Hemp Seed Oil. It doesn't smell like anything, there's nothing in it. For some reason, I am hooked. This is my 3rd bottle this year. And I use it on my daughter, I use it on myself. It leaves my skin not dry, not tight. It just is like a really beautiful body wash, and you can use this on all parts of the body because there is no fragrance in here, and it is pH balanced. It also has omegas 3, 6, and 9. So I've been really enjoying that, and I will buy another bottle. Again, like I never used to spend money on body washes until I found that, and I'm pretty darn impressed. So if you're looking for a new body wash, again, yes, I understand it's a little pricier, but I mean, the skin on our body, especially as we age, if we don't take care of it, it's gonna get all crepey and stuff. So, and then my body lotion that I revisited this year, which I hadn't had in over a year, this is the Lush Sleepy Time Body Lotion. I forgot how much I missed this. My mother and I went to the mall when she visited in October, and she'd never been to Lush. Isn't that awesome? So she walked in and it was just, she was blown away. She loves Lush so much now. But this smells like, when I say lavender, it is lavender, but it's not a fake lavender. It is a very realistic, sweet, almost vanilla-y lavender. It's not overwhelming. I have put it on before my clients have gotten here because I don't wear perfume with my clients. Because I just want like a nice fresh scent. And nobody has ever said anything like, you know, my body lotion is too strong or anything like that. It makes my skin feel amazing. I really enjoy this this product. And when I wear it at night, it does help me kind of calm down before I go to bed. So for me personally, that is kind of a must in my world. So what were your favorites of 2021? Did you guys get any, you know, like skincare, like products, like tools? I would love to hear what you're obsessed with. I'm still on the hunt for an at-home LED light therapy device besides the Dr. Dennis Gross one. I'm still on a hunt to share with you guys. I haven't found one yet that I absolutely love, except for the light stem, but I'm trying to find one that is in between the price point of something like on Amazon, which has no real data behind it, and something like light stem and Dr. Dennis Gross, which are like $500–600. So I'm trying to find something in the middle that works just as well, but it's a little bit less of a price point. So if you guys have any recommendations, let me know. But anyway, let me know what you guys have been loving. I love you all so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Let's love from me to you. Bye, loves.